Hey hungry folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we've rounded up some of our favorite places to get the perfect snacks for chai and coffee. But before we get started, if you like such videos, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so we can bring more such videos to you. Now, without further ado, let's get going. We cannot live in Chennai and not start this list without vadais. It doesn't matter if it was Amma Sutta Vadai or Kadaila Vaangna Vadai. It is the best evening snack with a good cup of filter coffee or chai if that's your cup of tea. Sorry, not sorry. Some of our favorite places for hot vadais are Jannal Kadai and Maili Karpakammal Mess. Pakoras are the next hot favorite. We're all about puns today. Imagine a nice rainy evening and lip-smacking crunchy onion pakoras. Available in a Kayandi Bhavan near you or Gangotri for you fancy peeps. Speaking of crunchy things, it's not tea time if there's no Mukke. It doesn't matter what shape or size it comes in, they're all yummy just the same. Some of our favorite places for Mukke include Sri Krishna Sweets and Ajnabi. The next favorite needs no introduction. From snack breaks at school to tea breaks in office, samosas have always filled our hearts and bellies in a way that no other snack has. And the place with one of the best samosas in town is Bombay Lassi on Ellis Road. It's a tiny place where they make samosas by the dozen in a matter of minutes, and the crowds will ensure that it's over even before it cools down. Whether you like a fancy British tea party or just a regular evening with a book for company, Biscuits have had a long history with tea time. Follow the link in the description below to find the freshest butter biscuits at Lala Gunda at Old Washerman Pet. So that's all we have for you today, folks. Tell us which snack you'd like best to pair with your coffee or tea in the comments below.